Alright, so I've been on vacation for a few days and I got some problem with my camera. So the shutter bottom got stuck inside. I think because of the salt and I guess greasy fingers or something. So we'll try to fix it right now. So this is what we're gonna use. I got from Walgreens. I got a propyl alcohol. So we need also the straw. I got just a regular straw. So first of all, I'm gonna remove the lens. So we need to protect the lens from the scratches or anything. Alright, so I got a lens right here. And I'm gonna close the camera. Alright, so remove the battery. Alright, I already removed the memory card. So let's see if it's gonna help us. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the lid of the alcohol and I put inside the camera, try to wash out the grease from the, I hope it's a grease, we'll see. Because I see here's a lot of sand and everything on the camera, so yeah. So we'll see if it's gonna help. We're gonna take a little of the alcohol, put the straw inside, and close another end of the straw. Alright, so the bottom is right here. So we're gonna put a little of the alcohol inside. Here we go. Alright, it starts dripping from the bottom right here. And we push. Alright, yeah, I hear the click now. Here we go. Oh, it works fast. Here we go. Yeah, I hear the click right now. I hope it's not gonna harm my camera, but we'll see. I'll put a little bit more again. Alright, here we go. It's dripping, yeah? Dripping. Oh yeah, that's a nice sound. Here we go. So here's my tip for you. Chicken fillet and out of French fries or whatever, it doesn't work well with your camera. Never eat any greasy food or anything when you're taking the pictures. Yeah, that's a nice sound. Here we go. Because I called to the companies, all the companies who fixing the shutters, they told me it's gonna cost about $120. I don't know if they're gonna do the same or replace the. So here's a way to save $120. But you hear that sound? Here we go. 120 bucks. That's the sound of 120 bucks right here. Alright, so now we need to leave it open, wait till it gets dry. So I'm gonna leave this alcohol over here too, and I'll see. When this alcohol will get dry, that's mean alcohol inside the camera dry out quick. So alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. I hope for it till tomorrow, and we'll see if it works. Let me add a little bit more, just for be sure that all grease comes out, all grease and sand, everything. Yeah, but I like this sound already. Yeah, and I see here is actually in alcohol some little sand or something. Might be salt from the ocean. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it like that till tomorrow. and tomorrow we'll see if it works. So all we need is just a straw, alcohol, that's it. You can save $120. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. Tomorrow we will see how it works. Alright, so we're back to our camera after 24 hours. Let's set the lens. We set the lens back. Oops. Okay. Okay. There we go. Alright. Put a card. So now I get a battery. Alright, battery in. And let's see, let's take a picture of this little square. Alright, how it works. I hope it works, please. Oh. There we go. Alright. And action. Alright, so seems like it works. Here we go, beautiful. Beautiful. Here we go, so here's a way to save $120. Have a good luck. Take care of your cameras.